Look at my wooden train. This train is mine, and she can't have it. Hi, Tigson. Well, hello, Carmen. Nice train. Can't I play with it? Carmen wants to play with a train? Yes, Tigson. No. Come on, let me have the train. No. It's my train, and you can't have it. I know it's your train. I won't hurt it. I would like to play with it for a minute. I promise I'll bring it back. No, Carmen. Can I push it? No. Can I touch it? No. You let me have the train. No. No, 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 no. It's my train, and you can't have my train. You won't let me have the train. Tigson Goldstone, let me have the train. No! 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 Let me have the train. Stop fighting over the train. Let Carmen have that train. And don't say no to Tigson. Share your train. Carmen wants to play with the train, Tigson. But it's my train, Hookhound. Here. Give Carmen the train. Thank you, Tigson. Stop. No, 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 no. No. Oh, my block tower. You knocked over Muggy Doo's block tower, Carmen. I apologize to Muggy Doo for knocking over the block tower, Carmen.